Electrical safety sounds boring only until you realize it's the reason electricity doesn't kill us every day. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach subjects, we break them down to their core intuition so you understand why rules exist, not just what they say. Most students think electrical safety and standards such as IEC and IEEE guidelines are dry regulations meant only for compliance. But in reality, they exist to prevent predictable human errors from turning into accidents, fires, or fatalities. Electricity is powerful, invisible, and unforgiving, which is why safety cannot be left to personal judgment or improvisation. To see this intuitively, think about household wiring. You don't choose wire thickness, insulation, earthing, or breaker ratings randomly. These are standardized so that even if a device fails or a user makes a mistake, the system fails safely. The same logic applies everywhere, from small appliances to high-voltage substations, where standards define safe limits, clearances, protection methods, and testing procedures. At a deeper level, organizations like IEC and IEEE provide a common technical language that engineers across the world can rely on. Standards ensure compatibility, safety, reliability, and performance by defining how systems should be designed, tested, and operated. Without these shared rules, equipment from different manufacturers would be unsafe to connect, and large systems would be impossible to manage. On a larger scale, electrical safety standards protect not just equipment, but entire societies. Power plants, hospitals, data centers, transportation systems, and industrial facilities all depend on strict adherence to standards to operate safely under normal and fault conditions. These guidelines allow innovation to scale without compromising human life. In real engineering practice, understanding electrical safety and standards is essential when designing systems, selecting components, performing installations, and conducting inspections. Engineers who ignore standards don't just risk project failure, they risk lives. Decades of experience, testing, and hard-learned lessons are embedded into every standard used today. Now that the intuition behind electrical safety and standards is clear, the next step is to explore power quality and system reliability, where safety, performance, and efficiency come together. And that's exactly what we'll cover next here at the Learning Studio.